All right, let's work on this Mixolydian lick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our thumb. Let's just go over the fingerings. We're gonna do finger 1, finger 2 here. And then we're gonna cross under, use our thumb to play the G. Second finger is gonna play this A. And then our third finger is gonna play that B flat. Now, guess what? The good news is that we're gonna use the same fingering for each and every one of these. So when I go to the key of F, I'm going to use finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and it goes back to the key of C. That's me, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. Then the last one we go in the key of G, so we do 1, 2, 1, 2, third finger on that F. Do it in the key of F, which is F, A, C, D, E flat, and then back to C. All right, so now let's play it with the music. Then after we play it with the music, then we'll move from there. So here we go, let's get it. G to the F, back to the C. Again. Key of G, we go to F, back to C. And that's the whole thing. The left hand is just doing C. I'm using finger 1 and finger 2. And the F and the E flat, right? Back to here, C and the E. 2, 3, F, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, back to here, 2, 3, 4. And then all we're gonna do this last part here, we're gonna do pinky on G and F, here, 2, 3, 4, and then back to here. And that is the entire thing. Cool, so practice that, have fun with it, and I'll see you soon. Peace.